All right, here we go. It's gonna be a not really a cold start, 70-degree start. I'm gonna use glow plugs, about 8 seconds or so. And I just put the fuel filter on, so it's gonna crank a little bit. It might even start, and then it might just shut off. Now I'll have to re-crank. That's expected, that's not normal. That's just because I took my fuel filter off for my other truck, so we'll see what happens. Like I said, started and then stopped. Oopsie daisy. Created a little bit of a cloud over there. It's kind of a mess right now, but I'll just show you around. I just put the steering wheel cover on. It's nice. Better than this thing.